Ria, you have had the TV remote all day. It's my turn to watch something now. I am reading right now. You can wait until I finish my chapter? You always say that, but your chapter takes forever. It's not fair. Well, you hogged the TV all yesterday, watching those reality shows. I should get some time too. That's because you weren't even home yesterday. Why should I suffer today because of that? Okay, fine. What do you want to watch? I want to watch that new dance show. I have been waiting for it all week. Oh, that show is so annoying. Can't we watch something we both like? Like what? Your boring documentaries about history? Hey, history can be fun if you actually give it a chance. Yeah, right. Let's just take turns. You can have the TV for half an hour and then it's my turn. That's fair. But you have to stop touching my stuff without asking. I noticed my sweater was missing this morning. Oh, I was going to return it. I just borrowed it for a minute. Borrowing means asking first, not sneaking it out of my closet. Well, I needed something to wear for my friend's party. Your sweater looks better on me anyway. Yeah, sure. But next time just ask, okay? Fine, I promise. But you also need to stop leaving your books everywhere. They are always on my side of the room. Well, your clothes are always on my side. It's like walking through a maze in hair. Okay. Let's both clean up our stuff later. Deal. And as long as you stick to the time limits with the TV, I won't complain about your shows. Deal. I will even let you choose the next movie night, but only if we order pizza. Now you are talking. Pizza and a history documentary? Don't push your luck. Maybe a comedy instead? Okay, it's been half an hour. My turn. Fair enough. But remember, no spoilers during your show. I will be on my phone. Deal. See? We can work things out without fighting all the time. Haha, don't get used to it. We are sisters. We are supposed to argue a little. True, but at least we are better at solving things now. As long as you keep your hands off my sweaters, we are good. No promises.